Hi Sam. I hope you're doing well today.
Hi Alex. I'm good, thanks. What's our word for today?
Today, we're learning the word
Ereignis.
Ereignis.
What does that mean?
It means
Ein Ereignis.
or occurrence. It can refer to anything from a significant happening to a minor incident. The most common use is for noteworthy events, like
Ein Festival. Ein historischer Moment.
Interesting. Are there any words in English that might confuse me?
yes, be careful with the word
Event.
while
Ereignis.
usually has a neutral connotation,
Event.
can sometimes imply something planned or organized, which isn't always the case with.
Ereignis.
Now let's talk about the grammar.
Ereignis.
Is a neuter noun, so it uses the article.
Das.
The plural form is
Ereignisse.
Got it. So, how do I use it in different tenses?
in the present tense, you could say
Das Ereignis findet morgen statt.
which means the event takes place tomorrow. In the past tense, you would say
Das Ereignis fand gestern statt.
for the event took place yesterday. And in the perfect, you would say
Das Ereignis hat gestern stattgefunden.
Oh, so the past participle is.
Stattgefunden.
That's helpful.
right. And if you want to give a command, you could say
Sei bei dem Ereignis.
which means be at the event. Now, let's discuss the history of.
Ereignis.
It comes from the Middle High German
Ergebnisse.
and is related to the Old High German.
Ergebnisse.
That's really interesting. So it has deep roots in the language.
Yes. The meaning has evolved to focus more on significant occurrences over time. Let's break down the word.
Ereignis.
Like Lego blocks. The prefix often indicates a process or result, the root.
Ein.
Relates to ownership or possession, and the suffix is common in neuter nouns.
So it's about the result of something happening.
Exactly. It's like assembling the meaning step by step. Now, for similar words, let's look at some examples. First, words with the prefix include
Erfahren.
which means to experience, and
Erreichen.
meaning to achieve.
Got it. What about the suffix?
Good question. You also have
Klassifizierendes.
which means classifying, and
Anwendungsbereich.
meaning scope of application.
Those are good to know.
Lastly, let's consider compound words. For instance,
Ereignisbericht.
is a report of an event.
And that follows the head last rule, right?
Exactly. The gender of the compound follows the last noun, which is,
Bericht.
in this case, and that's masculine. Now let's practice using
Ereignis.
in real-life situations. Imagine you're organizing.
Eine Konferenz.
Okay, what would I say?
You might say,
Das Ereignis wird nächste Woche stattfinden.
which means the event will take place next week.
Das Ereignis wird nächste Woche stattfinden.
Great. Another situation could be sharing news about.
Ein Festival.
You could say,
Ich freue mich auf das Ereignis.
which means I'm looking forward to the event.
Ich freue mich auf das Ereignis.
Perfect. Lastly, if you're at,
Einer Party.
you might say,
Was für ein großartiges Ereignis.
meaning what a great event.
Was für ein großartiges Ereignis.
Now, let's talk about remembering the gender of.
Ereignis.
As a neuter noun, it often ends in,
Nis.
which is a helpful pattern.
That's a good tip.
For a mnemonic, imagine a big event happening in a neutral space, like
Einem leeren Saal.
where anything can happen. Usage notes are important, too.
Ereignis.
Is usually neutral and can be used formally or informally. Some common phrases include
Ein wichtiges Ereignis.
which means an important event, and
Ein unerwartetes Ereignis.
meaning an unexpected event.
I see. Are there similar words I should be careful about?
Yes, be cautious with
Situation.
and,
Vorfall.
as they can have different connotations compared to.
Ereignis.
Let's wrap up with some example sentences. You can say,
Das Ereignis war ein großer Erfolg.
which means the event was a great success.
Das Ereignis war ein großer Erfolg.
Good. Or, you could say,
Ich habe an dem Ereignis teilgenommen.
meaning I participated in the event.
Ich habe an dem Ereignis teilgenommen.
Excellent. And you might also say,
Das Ereignis wurde gut besucht.
meaning the event was well attended.
Das Ereignis wurde gut besucht.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. Can you tell me the plural of?
Ereignis.
Is it?
Ereignisse.
Correct. What's the article for?
Ereignis.
It's.
Das.
Right again. How do you say the event took place yesterday?
Das Ereignis fand gestern statt.
Exactly. What does
erfahren,
mean?
It means to experience.
Perfect. And what do you say if you're excited about an event?
Ich freue mich auf das Ereignis.
Great job today, Sam. To summarize, we learned about the word,
Ereignis,
its meanings, grammar, and usage.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll use
Ereignis.
confidently in no time.